Hey everyone, welcome to Nutriology. Today's video is all about the 5 exercises that can transform your body in just 4 weeks. If you are looking to get in shape, lose some weight and tone your muscles, then these exercises are perfect for you. So without further ado, let's get started. The first exercise on our list is squats. Squats are one of the best exercises for building lower body strength and toning your legs and glutes. To do a squat, stand with your feet shoulder width apart and then lower your body as if you were sitting down in a chair. Keep your back straight and make sure your knees don't go past your toes. Do 3 sets of 10 reps and increase the weight as you get stronger. Push-ups are a great exercise for building upper body strength and they are also excellent for your core muscles. To do a push-up, start in a plank position with your hands shoulder width apart. Lower your body until your chest touches the ground and then push back up. If you are a beginner, then start doing push-ups on your knees. Do 3 sets. Lunges are another great exercise for building lower body strength and toning your legs and glutes. To do a lunge, step forward with one leg and lower your body until your front knee is at a 90-degree angle. Then push back up and repeat with the other leg. Do 3 sets of 10 reps on each leg. Burpees are a full body exercise that will get your heart pumping and burn a ton of calories. Start in a standing position, then squat down and place your hands on the ground. Your feet in a plank position, then jump them back in and stand up. Do 3 sets of 10 reps. Planks are a great exercise for building core strength and improving your posture. To do a plank, start in a push-up position, then lower your body onto your forearms. Keep your body straight and your core engaged. Hold for 30 seconds, then rest for 30 seconds. Do 3 sets. Deadlifts are a compound exercise that work your entire body, particularly your lower back, glutes, hamstrings and quads. To do a deadlift, stand with your feet shoulder width apart and a barbell in front of you. Bend your knees and hinge forward at your hips, keeping your back straight and grabbing the barbell with an overhand grip. Lift the barbell up, pushing through your heels and using your legs, glutes and lower back to raise the weight. Lower the barbell down to the ground with control. Do 3 sets of 8 reps. Pull-ups are a challenging exercise that primarily work your back, shoulders and biceps. If you can't do a full pull-up, you can start with assisted pull-ups or use a resistance band for support. To do a pull-up, grab a bar with an overhand grip and hang with your arms straight. Pull your body up towards the bar, squeezing your shoulder blades together and using your back and arm muscles. Lower your body down with control. Do 3 sets of 8 reps. There you have it, guys. Those are the 7 exercises that can transform your body in just 4 weeks. Remember to start slowly and gradually increase the weight and reps as you get stronger. And don't forget to eat a healthy diet and stay hydrated. For watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Toodles!